Alright, guys, this is it. Last break of the night. I'm fading. Subterfuge Box Break number 1368. I just listed this pack and she's gone already. Polly and Ferg basically nabbed her up. Lisa got her Detroit and Rangers, like she likes to grab there. The rest went to Polly and Ferg. Ferg's got the Ninja. Ferg and Polly 5+ wheel spin, so I'm going to grab those darts for Dawn right away. I'll get this thing moving. Alright, Dawn. Let's see what you get. Double 1. Double, or single 16. Single 9. Didn't you need a 9? Single 8. Triple 4. Double 16. So that's halfway there for Dawn. Alright, that's single deuce. Single 19. Triple 14. Single 3. Single 15. And single 7. That's it. No prizes for Dawn. Sorry about that, bud. Alright, you're going to get a 5+ wheel spin, though. Here we go. Same old sheet. Tampa Bay. It's a single more dart for Dawn. There we go. Dawn's getting another dart. This one will be the hero. Double 50. Double 15 for Dawn. And Polly's 5+ wheel spin. Chicago, the Bill Don't Want It bonus, but like I said, that is empty, so you're going to get a fridge magnet. Magnet for Polly. Polly's doing good tonight. Alright, here we go, Polly. Because Todd just came in the room, it'll probably be a Nathan McKinnon. Just saying. Just throwing it up there. Yeah. It happens, Dawn. Hey, Beatles bubblegum. There you go, Polly. That's going to look special on your fridge. 5 cents. Beatles bubblegum. Alright, so yeah, we're on 10s for this one. And Ferg, because you got 20 or more teams, I'm tossing you a nice card for you. For your Edmonton Oilers, I got a overtime autograph of Darnell Nurse. Awesome young defenseman for the Oil. There you go, buddy. Hope you like that. And let's get into this pack. It is 12th edition. Oh, you're welcome. A little extra. A lot of teams, so yeah, I'm pretty sure you're going to get a hit in the pack, too. Unless it's red and it all goes to Lisa. And it isn't. Base out of 60, Pavel Bure. So I wonder if it's Vancouver and Polly or Florida and Ferg. It's Florida and Ferg. Base out of 60 for Ferg. And that's going to get you a single 10 because we're on 10s. Oh yeah, hello. We got a 101. Sweet. And, oh, nice. No way. Huh. This is a sweet pack, man. Oh, I said Pac-Man. Game used Pat Silver, number 8 of 9. Hold on to yourself, Todd. Because it's Joe Sack. Oh, that's nice. Joe Sakic in the Colorado Avalanche. And that's going to Ferg. There you go, Ferg. Sweet patch out of 9. Joe Sakic. That's a very nice little patch there. For sure. Alright. That's not even the best card. Enshrined Auto and Jersey Gold, number 1 of 1 for the Philadelphia Flyers. It is a Bobby Clark. Nice seam there on the mem, and a nice autograph of Bobby Clark for you, 1 of 1. There you go, Ferg. That's going to get you a quad 10. And them's the breaks. That's it for the box, guys. Ferg did the sweep, but he did have 20 whatever teams, so thank you guys all for your support. And I'll catch you all on the next one. I'm going to list some more tomorrow night or tomorrow or late tonight. We'll see what happens.